Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Florets by Elsa. So today we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am gonna do something a little basic. I'm gonna be working on a 11 by 14 inch oval. I have it right here. I have it prepared on the back, and we're gonna be working on a wreck puddle pour. So I'm going to be using my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black as my base color. And I'm going to use my pearl colors on top, and I'm going to go ahead and wreck it and see how this one turns out. I'm sure it's going to make a beautiful background. The wrecking tool I'm using this icing comb set I bought at Michael's. And I see that one of them has very nice ridges. So that's why, this one is the one I'm using. See? So we're going to go ahead and make a creative design using this tool. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are. We're going to go ahead, flood our canvas. And let's go ahead, get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. And I'm going to puddle pour these a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead here, 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 here. Okay. Next I have Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam. And you're not going to see the colors now because, like I said, they are pearl colors. You'll see them as they dry. Okay. Yellow. Now we have Pearl Violet. Okay. Next we have Pearl Green. And if you look, I'm going to see if I can zoom in. You'll see the colors on the ridges of these circles. Now we have Pearl Red. You see them forming. So that's Pearl Red. And we have Pearl White. I was about to drizzle the white all over, but I'm not going to do that. I'll put the white in. I'll see where I could squeeze it in. Such a pretty puddle. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and torch it out a little bit. Give it a good torch because it does have a lot of bubbles in it. And now, using this tool, we're going to go ahead and wreck this. So, It was just a little too much of the paint flew off, but I'll do the same going that way. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think I like this, so we're gonna go ahead and stretch it out. Okay. So I'm not gonna stretch it out anymore because I think I'm happy with this design. Just gonna take care of my sides. I really like it. And I'm glad that I didn't stretch it any further because I really like how this looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead, clean it off a little bit, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here it is. And check out how gorgeous. And like I told you, you can see the colors. Look how beautiful the cells are. The colors didn't blend much this time around. You can see the streaks, the colors, and the cells. Take a look at that. I do have my overhead light off so you can kind of see the colors. This is a beautiful background. I think I can work on this and add an embellishment. It's beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. Look at it on this orientation. I'm super happy with it. Hope it dries this way, but I'll show you guys once it dries. And I will try to blend in the colors a little more on my next attempt. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Tell me what combinations you want to see so that I can go ahead and pick out of your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.